I bought an e-bike to find out if it made looking for spots way better. And this is how that went. After a fun ride, we got to the first spot and I pulled my lightsaber rod out. I casted and casted, but unfortunately had no luck. So I decided to switch from rooster tail to bread. And I still didn't get no bites, so I just decided to move on to the next spot. New spot, found a bench, casted, but I've been fishing for a couple hours and caught nothing, have no bite. I think I'm going home. Let me know in the comments if I should try another spot on the e-bike.